Hi everyone, Prestissima here. Today we are going to learn about chords, keys, and transpositions. When two or more notes are played or sung at the same time, we call that a chord. Chords help us create harmony in music. Harmony happens when two or more notes played or sung together create a unique sound combination. Harmony can sound restful or pleasant to our ears, and in music we call that consonance. Consonance feels settled. Harmony can also sound harsh or jarring to our ears. In music, we call this dissonance. Dissonance feels unsettled. Whether a particular harmony sounds consonant or dissonant depends on certain things. It's sometimes guided by theoretical harmonic principles. Sometimes it's dependent on the context of the music. And sometimes it's just a matter of personal taste. We've previously learned that in music we have different scales so that we can compose and perform music in different modes and in different keys. We compose music in certain modes so that we can have the music sound a certain way. We compose music in different keys so that we can have it go up and down over an entire different range. How high is the highest note and how low is the lowest note? In the music that we've been learning, all the songs are written and performed using the notes from a particular scale. For example, the C major scale, the G major scale, the A minor scale, etc. Each scale uses a different combination of notes. Sometimes notes are sharped or flatted in the scale. When we write or play a song using the notes of a particular scale, we are writing or playing that song in a particular key. The name of the key is the same as the name of the scale. For example, a song written or played using the notes of the C major scale is said to be written in the key of C. Another example is if a song is written and played using the notes of the D minor scale, it's said to be played in the key of D minor. If a song is written and played using the notes of the A major scale, what key is it in? Exactly, the key of A major. What if a song is written and played using the notes of the F minor scale? What key are we in then? You guessed it, we're in the key of F minor. When we play our scales, we are playing each scale in its own key. For example, the G major scale is played in the key of G major. The A minor scale is played in the key of A minor. We can play the same song in different keys. When we play a song in one key and then we play that same song in a different key, that's called key transposition. When a song is written in one key, but we choose to play it or sing it in a different key, that's called transposing. So, for example, if I have a song that's written using the notes of the C major scale, or in C major, in the key of C major, and then I decide that I want to play it or sing it in the key of D major, using the notes of the D major scale, then we would say that I transposed it from C major to D major. Let's do an example. So previously, you learned Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and you learned it in the key of C major. Let's play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but we're going to transpose it into the key of D major. Here we go. Okay, so when we learned Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, we used both hands. But just so we can focus on the notes, I'm going to play just using my one finger on the right hand. So first, I'm going to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star in the key of C major, using the notes from the C major scale. I'm going to transpose it into the key of D major using the notes from the D major scale. Do we remember our D major scale? We have two sharps, right? It's F sharp and C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Back down, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Okay, good job. Okay, so instead of starting on C, now I'm going to start on D for the D major scale, right? So D major. Let's try it. I transposed from C major to D major. So today we learned about key transpositions. Our next song, Hickory Dickory Dock, is first written using the notes from the D major scale, or the key of D major, and then it is transposed up to the key of E flat major using the notes from the E flat major scale. Good job, everyone. Then we're going to learn a song called Kumbaya, and that one is first written in the key of C major, and then it's going to be transposed up to the key of D major. So remember, keep practicing all your songs and your scales, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!